Welcome to Business with Louis, the show where we explore the latest trends and insights in the world of entrepreneurship and business. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that's gaining momentum: ESG investing. ESG investing stands for environmental, social, and governance investing. It's an approach to investing that considers not only the financial returns of a company, but also its impact on the environment, society, and how it's governed. This concept has been around for a while, but it's become increasingly important in recent years as consumers, investors, and businesses recognize the need for sustainable and responsible practices. The core principles of ESG investing are rooted in the idea that companies have a responsibility to their stakeholders, including shareholders, employees, customers, and the environment. Influential thinkers like John Elkington, who coined the term triple bottom line, have shaped our understanding of ESG investing. The triple bottom line refers to a company's financial, social, and environmental performance. By considering these three aspects, businesses can create long-term value and contribute to a more sustainable future. Let's look at some real-world examples of ESG investing in action. Companies like Patagonia and REI have made environmental sustainability a core part of their business models. They use eco-friendly materials, reduce waste, and promote conservation efforts. On the social side, companies like Microsoft and Salesforce have implemented diversity and inclusion initiatives, recognizing that a diverse workforce is essential for driving innovation and growth. Another great example is the investment firm BlackRock, which has made ESG investing a key part of its strategy. BlackRock CEO Larry Fink has stated that companies must prioritize purpose and profit to succeed in the long term. This shift towards ESG investing is not just about doing good, it's also about doing well. Research has shown that companies with high ESG ratings tend to outperform those with low ratings. If you're an entrepreneur or business student looking to incorporate ESG principles into your venture, here are some actionable steps you can take. 1. Conduct an ESG audit. Assess your company's environmental impact, social responsibility, and governance practices. 2. Set clear goals and targets. Establish specific objectives for reducing your environmental footprint, promoting diversity and inclusion, and improving governance. 3. Engage with stakeholders. Communicate your ESG efforts to customers, employees, and investors, and solicit feedback to improve your practices. 4. Invest in ESG-themed funds or companies. Consider investing in companies that prioritize ESG principles or funds that focus on sustainable investments. Of course, there are challenges to implementing ESG investing, such as accessing reliable data and navigating complex regulatory environments. However, tools like ESG ratings and scores can help you make more informed investment decisions. Research has shown that ESG investing can lead to better financial returns and reduced risk. A study by Harvard Business Review found that companies with high ESG ratings outperformed those with low ratings by 3–4% per year. Another study by McKinsey found that companies that prioritized diversity and inclusion were more likely to experience financial returns above their industry average. In conclusion, ESG investing is an approach to investing that considers the environmental, social, and governance impact of a company alongside its financial returns. By incorporating ESG principles into your business or investment strategy, you can create long-term value, contribute to a more sustainable future, and make a positive impact on society. As you consider your next move, remember that every great business starts with action. Make your next move count by exploring ESG investing options for your own business or portfolio. Whether you're an entrepreneur, investor, or simply someone who cares about the future of our planet, I encourage you to join the conversation and start making a positive impact. That's it for today's Business with Louis. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and remember, every great business starts with action. Make your next move count.